Hi, my student. Good morning. Okay. How are you today this morning? Okay, good. Me too. Okay, I hope all of you and home everywhere you good and well condition. Right? Me too. Okay, my student. Did you remember me? Okay, welcome back to me with Mrs. Reno Herawati. Usually you call me Mrs. Reno, right? Okay, did you remember me? Okay. You miss me? Okay. I miss you too so much. Okay. Okay, my student. Are you ready if we are learning English together this morning? Okay, good. Okay, my student, let's study. First, we discuss about expression. Okay, you know expression, my student? Expression is ungkapan. In English, many expression usually you use. Like expression suggestion, opinion, agreement, disagreement, and many others. But today, especially today, we discuss about offering help. What the meaning is? Offering help is menawarkan. Jadi hari ini kita belajar bahasa Inggris tentang menawarkan, suatu ungkapan penawaran. Oke, jelas ya? Oke, mari kita belajar bersama. Lalu tujuannya apa? What the goal after studying English today? I hope ya, Mem Reno berharap sekali kalian bisa belajar bahasa Inggris hari ini tentang menawarkan jasa atau disebut expressing offering. Jadi kalian nantinya bisa sekalipun hanya sedikit, sekalipun hanya satu ungkapan, tapi saya ingin sekali anak-anak Mem Reno di sini yang tercinta, anak-anak Mem Reno yang pandai-pandai di sini, yang rajin-rajin di sini, kalian bisa dengan mudah sekali mengungkapkan menawarkan jasa. Misalnya dengan apa, Mem? Misalnya dengan gini, may I help you? Bisa saya bantu? Oke, repeat after me. May I help you? Oke, good. Lalu, you can use the other. What can I do for you? Bisa saya bantu? Like that. Okay? Understand? Okay, good. Nice. Okay, next. Ya, offering. What is offering? Offering tadi sudah saya jelaskan. Offering adalah menawarkan. Ya, yang kalian ada suatu masalah, ada situasi misalnya. Dalam situasi tertentu ada orang yang sangat membutuhkan kamu dan kamu peka terhadap situasi tersebut. Misalnya, you look me bringing many heavy books, and then you look me and you want to help me. So, how do you express? Okay, so you can say, can I help you, ma'am? Can I do for you, ma'am? Like that. It is depend on the situation, right? How I answer it. Maybe I can answer. Okay, sure, thank you, like that. Maybe if I need your help, I can say no, thanks, like that. Okay, bisa digambarkan ya. Okay, next. So my student, okay, pay attention this dialogue. This dialogue is between the librarian and Siti. Siti maybe this student in the school. Okay, look together. Di sisi librariannya akan bertanya. Librariannya bilang, excuse me, you look so confused. May I help you? May I help you? Okay, remember, this is may I help you is offering expression. Did you remember, my student? Okay, good. Okay, so Siti answer, yes, please. I need a book entitled All About Japan. Jadi, Siti mencari buku yang berjudul ini, All About Japan. And then, what the response of the librarian? The librarian say, sure, wait a minute. I will get it for you. Siti, thanks you. Gitu. Jadi, Siti akan menjawab setelah itu juga dengan thank you. Oke, kita ulangi ya bersama-sama. Maybe you can repeat after me. This is dialogue. Okay. This is between librarian and Siti. Okay. Read together and listen to me. Excuse me, you look so confused. May I help you? Yes, please. I need a book entitled All About Japan. Sure, I wait a minute. I will get it for you. Thank you. Okay, maybe. Okay, very fast. Okay, repeat again. Excuse me. Okay, good. Excuse me. Apa? Excuse me. Okay, good. You look so confused. You look so confused. Okay, good. Confused. Confused. Okay, good. You look so confused. May I help you? Okay, good. May I help you? Okay, good. Nice. Yes, please. Good. I need a book entitled All About Japan. Okay, good. Entitled. Entitled. Okay, good. Sure. Sure. Okay. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, good. I will get it for you. Okay. I will get it for you. Okay, good. And then Siti answer, thank you. Okay. You know, my student, this is a one of dialogue about expression. I ask you, this is a positive or negative response. Okay, can you answer now? Oh no, I'm sure no, because I will not explain you. Okay, let's go. Okay, this expression of offering help, there are many of how to express. Like, can I help you? May I help you? Good. What can I help you with? Would you like some? Would you drink some water? Is there something you want to? Something? And then, let me help you. What some? Have some? Usually, in have some and have some, it is in informal expression. Biasanya itu ada makanan banyak di situ. Terus ada teman-teman kamu mungkin datang ke rumah kamu, kamu akan menawarkan. Lalu dalam bahasa Inggrisnya apa? Silahkan makan seperti itu kan. Tapi di sini kalian bisa menggunakan have some. Silahkan. Have some. What some? Kalian bisa menggunakan itu. Jelas? Ya. Jadi ini adalah ekspresi di mana selain can I help you and what can I do for you itu adalah teman-temannya di sini. Ini adalah ekspresi yang lain. Jelas anak-anak? Oke, good. Next. Dalam offering itu adalah ada respon. Respon di mana itu positif atau negatif. Positif kita anggap accepting, oke? Accepting of offering. Ya, accepting di sini adalah menerima. Accepting of offering adalah menerima suatu tawaran. Kalian bisa menggunakan yes sure, thanks a lot, what a good guy, oh that's very kind of you, with my pleasure, thank you very much, I appreciated that. Oke, kalian bisa menggunakan itu. Apakah ada kata-kata yang susah di sini? Oh, oke, repeat up to me. Jadi dalam bahasa Inggris untuk menerima ya tadi tawaran itu disebut dengan accepting. Oke. Kalian juga bisa menggunakan di sini. Repeat after me. Yes, sure. Okay, good. Thanks a lot. Okay, good. What a good guy. Okay, good, nice. Oh, that's very kind of you. Okay, good. With my pleasure. Apa? Pleasure. Yes, with my pleasure. Thank you very much. Okay, the last is I appreciated that. I appreciated that. Nah, di sini saya menghargai itu. Itu artinya positif, menerima. Jelas ya? Nah, kalian bisa lihat tadi di sini ada apa namanya yang dialog tadi, yang tadi antara Lebrian sama Siti, di situ ada yang jawab yes please. Berarti ini artinya apa anak-anak? Menerimakah? Ya, betul. Di sini yes please artinya menerima, yang disebut dengan accepting of offering. Jadi menerima. Jelas ya? Kalian kalau menerima, yes please, berarti itu disebut dengan menerima atau accepting dalam bahasa Inggris ya. Oke, jelas ya? Oke, next. This is accepting and then the next is refusing. Refusing is opposite of accepting. Artinya apa? Kalian bisa menebak nggak ini? Ya, betul, menolak. Menolak di sini artinya menolak tidak dibantu karena dia bisa mengerjakan sendiri. Lalu ekspresinya bagaimana? Kita lihat ya anak-anak ya. Oke, kita bisa lihat dengan no thanks. Tidak, terima kasih. Thanks, but I can do it. Terima kasih, tetapi saya bisa mengerjakan itu. Thank you, but I'm sure gitu kan. I can. Bisa saja seperti itu. Terima kasih, tetapi saya yakin saya bisa. Seperti itu. And then maybe the other expression is you can answer using you are good. Kamu baik sekali. But I really want to do. Ini harusnya pakai to ya. I really want to do this with my own. Jadi dia bisa mengerjakan itu sendiri, tapi dia tetap mengucapkan menghargai menghargai appreciate ya your offering. Jadi dia bisa you are good. And then you can expression use I appreciated that. Saya menghargai itu. But I can do it myself. Sama tadi, artinya maknanya sama. Dia menghargai tawaran kamu, tetapi ada kata tetapinya di sini. Tetapinya but I can do it myself. Tapi dia bisa mengerjakan sendiri. Artinya apa? Dia mampu, tapi dia menghargai tawaran kamu. Jelas anak-anak? Ya, oke, good. The last is you don't need to do that. Thanks anyway. Kamu nggak perlu melakukan itu. Terima kasih sekali. Nah, itu adalah penolakan. Kalau kalian lihat di sini ada thanks, and then no, itu memang menolak ya, rejecting gitu kan. Tapi di sini bukan berarti menolak itu enggak seperti itu. Tapi dalam bahasa Inggris itu ada polite, ada sopan santunnya di sini. Kenapa ada thanks? Kenapa ada appreciated that seperti itu? Karena memang di sini kita sopan. We have to be polite. Ya, kita harus sopan. Nah, jadi untuk tidak menyinggung tawaran seseorang itu kalian bisa menggunakan ekspresi-ekspresi ini. Jelas ya anak-anak ya? Okay, do you understand about my explanation? Okay, good. Okay, so the other dialogue maybe I express look I want you to look. There is accepting and then refusing. You know the meaning of accepting is menerima. And then refusing is opposite of the accepting is menolak, right? Okay, let's together this dialogue. This is Lenny. Hi Jane, seems so busy. Can I help you? Jadi Lenny itu melihat Jane itu sangat sibuk sekali. Ya, ada situasinya adalah Jane itu sangat sibuk. Lenny sebagai sahabatnya menawarkan diri dengan bagaimana? Can I help you? Can I help you? Nah, sekarang kita lihat responnya ya. Responnya begini. Hello Lenny, thanks a lot. You are very kind. Oh, you are so kind. This is the same. Okay. The conclusion of that accepting of dialogue, there is accepting everything. But this Lenny in this above everything here, dia menolak atau menerima. Kira-kira apa anak-anak? Ya, menerima, accepting. Okay, good. So, refusing. Bagaimana kalau kita tuh menolak, anak-anak? Sekarang kita lihat ya anak-anak. Menolak itu bagaimana sih? Kita lihat. Jane, what can I do for you? Oh, I will take care it by myself, Lenny. Thanks anyway. Saya bisa melakukan itu sendiri, Lenny. Makasih ya, seperti itu. Jadi kayak tadi, kayak dia sopan sekali, dia tuh menghargai usaha kamu, sekalipun kamu tuh mau menolak, tapi kamu sangat menghargai tawaran itu. Maka dia akan bilang seperti itu. Thanks anyway, terima kasih banyak. Ya, dia sangat menghargai tawaran kamu. Jadi jelas ya anak-anak ya. Jadi dalam dialog, dalam ekspresi offering itu ada responnya yang disebut dengan accepting maupun refusing. Sampai di sini masih belum jelas ya? Sudah jelas atau belum? Do you understand? Do you understand what offering? Yes, good. Did you remember what the meaning of offering? Yeah, good. Offering is menawarkan. Okay. Do you know about accepting? Okay, good. Menerima. Dengan apa tadi menerimanya? Oh ya, dengan yes, sure. Thanks a lot. Okay, good. Lalu ada refusing. Kamu tahu refusing tadi apa artinya anak-anak? Menolak. Dengan apa tadi? Iya, dengan thank you. No, thanks you. Good. But I can do it myself like that. Ya, jadi itu sederhana sekali anak-anak. Tapi bagaimana mengungkapkan dengan kebiasaan? Your habitually, you have to practice and practice, so have to do that. Baik. Jadi walaupun apa yang Membreno ini sampaikan sederhana, tapi Membreno berharap sekali kalian bisa mengungkapkan ini yang sederhana itu menggunakan bahasa Inggris dengan baik. Oke anak-anak? Baiklah anak-anak, kalau misalnya kalian mengalami, if you have some difficulties to learn this English, you can call me, you can WhatsApp me, and you ask me many things. Okay? Any question? No. Okay, good. Okay, I hope there is no question, I hope, because you know clearly, right? You clearly the lesson, okay, right? Okay. My student, the last topic this is practice, latihan. Bagaimana sih kalau ada suatu situasi ini, kalian latihannya bagaimana mengungkapkannya? Yang kasih contoh ya, di sini nomor 1. What will you say? Apa yang akan kamu katakan when you want to help your mom? Apa yang akan kamu katakan ketika kamu melihat atau ingin membantu ibu kamu? Maybe this situation in your home. In the kitchen, maybe you say your mom in the kitchen. You look your mom in the kitchen very busy. Okay, she is cooking and there is no other else in the kitchen, and then you look her and you love her, so you offer her. Okay, what will you say? Kan kalian bisa tanya tadi, Mom, what can I do for you? Mom, can I help you? Remember that? Okay, good. This is number 1. Next 2 up to number 5, please you do it yourself. At home, you write down in your book, and then you give your paper. Okay, I with you your paper. I want to look your work, and I have to give your mark. Okay, you understand? Okay, my student, I think it's enough this lesson. See you in the next lesson, maybe in the other expression, maybe. And I hope you want to study and practice. So I'm sure you can read and you can speak and you write English and you have many skills. You can get it very well. Okay, my student, thank you for your attention. Thank you for your time to listen me this morning. Thank you very much, and I hope you can do it well. Okay, my student, see you next time, and goodbye.